Hi, today I'm gonna show you something really interesting about the world of technology. Let's dive in. Oh, this cat is just stuck there. This man has no face, what? No head? What is going on there? That's a weird bus. Russian hackers. Is it coffee? What? Those pigeons are great. Flying cars. Now this woman gonna go into the bank. I saw this video before. She's going to the elevator but without entering it. This looks like a nightmare. What is going on? What? Looks like a nightmare. And now what? Don't leave with lag. That's just a 5G advertisement. This is how the world looks like if we all gonna have bugs everywhere. Next guy made a knife throwing machine. Let's dive in.
This is a knife throwing machine.
Looks really great. I'm wondering why someone needs that. When someone would buy it or what? Even in the dark. Why? Why you need that? To hit the raccoon or what? To hunt in the woods. You're gonna see something really great. You can change your color whatever you want, but only black or white. If my car gonna be dirty, I'm gonna just change the color and forget it. That's how Japan solved some bicycle problem. It's just amazing. It's a huge parking under the ground. Yeah, you can just send there your bicycle like a vending machine or what. Yeah, and Robert's gonna bring it back. I hope they're gonna pick the right one. I bet it would be also possible with cars in the close future. Maybe we need that thing in Holland as well. It's not real, but I bet it would be awesome to fly on that airplane. Just great. Look at that. It has a transparent roof. And you can fly. You can fly and see the sunset or whatever. Just great. I hope it's secure. I hope it wouldn't break just with some bird or whatever. Yeah, those guys made a great job. They made a plastic card and you can scan your QR code on that and then you're gonna see the whole metro station on your palm. That's just amazing. That's just great. I would use it definitely. I think it could be possible. It's not that hard to just code it. Just great. I think this robot, they call it cleanser bot. It's killing bacteria when you're traveling, so you can bring it with you to the hotel and then just clean your bedroom before you go to sleep. That's just great. I would be afraid if I would wake up and this bug would... yeah. In this video you're gonna see how drones would collect apples or grapes. They push robots to collect some apples. Great. So yeah, what else can we collect with the help of robots? Maybe grapes. Yeah, look how cool is it? You can just control it with your tablet or whatever. Just great. I like this concept. Oh, look at that. They have millions of them. Cool. I'm wondering what they're gonna make now. they're gonna push the plastic, yeah, from different sides. Whoa! I think I know what's that. That's just great. I'm a new Galileo guy. Yeah, I know that. Now we can go and water your plants. Aha. They're gonna put the bottle on the side, yeah. And with the help of the liquid inside, it's gonna stay horizontally. Yeah, looks really great. But I saw that somewhere in the gift store. Oh great, those robots are climbing. My god. What are they doing? They transport, they carry boxes around. Yeah, this guy just made my day. He's drinking the water. Oh, that's great. How it looks like. How it looks up. How you can drink soda in space. Cool. Just great. Try to guess what is going on in this video. So, it's a fishing video, but with unusual type of device. Yeah, he catch the fish with a drone. Yeah, that's great. That's so funny. How he can just... that's great. That's amazing. Just go fishing. Yeah, nobody cares. I had the same television. The same phone. Oh, nostalgic, yeah. VHS tapes. Yeah. I know that. Oh, we were watching it. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Old tapes, old tables. Oh my god. Oh, that's so great. Oh, that's just ASMR for my ears. Oh. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.